Hello children. Well, today we will start with lesson number 28 words, which is there in your textbook on page number 119. Okay. First is spelling rules. So let us see what are the spelling rules for English language. English is a complicated language, yes, isn't it? It has many rules when it comes to spelling and words. So children, when in English many spellings and words, when we write spellings or words, there are many rules we have to follow about it. The following rules must be kept in mind while writing spelling. So let us see some rules which we have to keep in mind when we have to write spelling. First one, in a spelling with I and E, I comes before E as a general rule. So children, generally when in the spelling there is I and E, both words are there. So always I comes before E. You can see the example over here. Brief it is given, I and E both are there. So I comes always with E. Before E, I comes. Okay, so the spelling will be BRIEF. But when they come after a word with C, but children, when I and E comes before the word C, E comes before I. Means whenever there is C with I and E, so we have to write E first and then we have to write I. Otherwise we have to write I first and then E. See here you can see in this example DECEIVE. Now here C is there. Okay, so we write before that E and then I. So it becomes DECEIVE, deceive. Okay. Now let us see the second rule. Words that contain one syllable and one vowel next to a consonant letter, we need to double the letter of the last consonant and add a vowel suffix to it. So children, whenever in the word there is a consonant, last letter is a consonant and before that vowel is there. So I is a vowel, yes, and after I G is there. G is a consonant. So whenever there is a vowel and after the vowel consonant is there, what we simply do is we double the last letter, we double the consonant, that is double G we write. So it becomes BIGGER. Now here you can see vowel is there and then double G will come because consonant is there. So we will double the letter, that is double G and ER. So we added suffix. Suffix means the words which are added at the end of the word, so they are known as suffix. So here you can see we have doubled it and we have changed it into bigger. Okay. See, same way you can see over here, ochre is given, U is the vowel and last consonant is there. So we have double the last letter, that is the consonant, that is double R, and then we have added suffix to it. So it becomes awkward. Understood? So these are the two rules when we have to write the spelling. So we will start with the exercise over here, which is there. Exercise number 1. Filling the blanks to get the whole word with double letters. We have to filling the missing letters to make the word, and this all words we have double letter words. Okay, so guess them by reading their meaning. So we have to read it and then we have to guess the word, what word it is. So let us see the first one, an orange vegetable. So here it is given CA-OT. So which is an orange vegetable which start with CA? Yes, it is carrot. So double ROT, CARROT, carrot. Okay. See the next sentence. To achieve something. When we have to achieve something, it is known as success. SUCCESS, success. Next one. We play with it. So usually girls play with it, and that is doll, DOLL, doll. Next sentence. A sudden mashup. So when sudden thing happens, it is known as accident. ACCIDENT, accident. To create a problem. when we create a problem, it is known as fuss. To feel sad. When we feel sad, we call it as disappointment. Disappointment. Double P-O-I-N-T. Let us turn the page and see. Okay, here you can see the next day is known as tomorrow. Double R, T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W, tomorrow. Next sentence, a good chance, opportunity. Opportunity. Next word, next sentence, a time to celebrate, occasion. And last one, cried out. So it is called. Okay, so with this we completed our next exercise. Now we'll continue with the explanation. First two rules is clear to you now. Now we'll start with the third rule to see how to write a spelling. When we add suffix beginning with vowel to words ending with E, the E needs to be omitted. Okay, so children, when we write suffix means when we add word at the end of the spelling, we have when there is vowel E, as you can see in the example, when the word ends with E, so we will omit this E, and instead of that, after that we will add the suffix, that is IBLE, sensible. So since E is there at the end, so we will remove that E and then we make another word with it, and that is sensible. Okay, so whenever in a word at the end vowel E is there, we remove that E and then we add a suffix to it. Do remember this. Okay, next example you see, smile. Again smile is a word, vowel E is there at the end, so we add suffix by removing E and we can make a new word by removing E and adding ing, so it becomes smiling. Okay, so now let us see the next word, next rule. When we use the word all as a prefix, now prefix means the word which is added in front of a word to make a new word. Okay, so when we add any word before a word, to make a new word, it is called to be a prefix. Okay, so when we use the word all as a prefix, we drop one of the L's. So now when we add all in the word to make a new word, what we have to do is, here ALL all is there, so we remove one L from it to make a new word. See the example, all plus mighty. All is there, mighty is there. Now to make a new word, we will drop this L from here and it becomes almighty. Okay, see the next example, all plus ready. Now again here one L will remove and we will write already. So to make a new word, when we add prefix, when we add all to a word to make a new word, we remove one L from it. Okay, to make a new word. See the next rule, children. Words ending with the suffix full are always spelt with one L. Okay, so now when we write suffix to a word full, it is always spelled one L. Okay, as you can see, help plus full, so it becomes helpful. Use plus full, it becomes useful. Okay, see the next rule. There are words that ends with Y which change to I when we add any suffix to it. So there are some words which ends with Y. Okay, so when we have to add suffix to it, we change this Y into I. Okay, as you can see in the example, pretty is the word, so at the end Y is there, so when we add suffix to it, we remove this Y, instead of Y we write I, so it becomes prettier. Apply, so application, here also you can see we have removed, here you can see Y is removed and instead of Y I is used, so it becomes application. Understood? Okay, so these are the rules which you have to follow when you have to write a words, when you have to spell the words or you have to write a new words, these are the rules we have to follow. So let us see the next exercise connected to this explanation. Correct the following spellings and write the correct one in the blank. We have to correct these spellings. Okay. So now as you can see, almost, these are the two words. Prefix all is there. So what does the rule says? Then when we write all with when we add prefix all to any word, we drop one letter, that is L. So it becomes almost. Okay. See the next word. It's decide. Yes. Now as you can see over here, C is there. So as per the rules, whenever there is C and IE, so what we have to do, we cannot write I before E, we have to write E before I. So it becomes decide. DECEIT. Okay, D after C, we write E and then I. So it becomes decide. Okay. Now see the next one, beginner. Okay. Now as you can see over here, I is given, I is a vowel. After vowel, consonant is there. So we will double the letter N. So it becomes BEGINNER. Okay. BEGINNER. It becomes beginner. See the next one, receive. RECIEVE. Now again over here you can see C is there. So we will write RECEIVE. Okay, E will come before I because C is there. Next is grateful. So whenever grateful, as it is told that whenever we add suffix full, so we spell it as full but we write only one L. So it becomes grateful. We don't use double L at that time. Next is closing. So whenever there is E at the end of the word, whenever vowel E is there, we drop that E, we omit E and then we write the suffix. So it becomes closing. Next is peace. Now you can see here E and I is there but C is behind it. Okay. So always E comes before, I comes before E. PIECE. Now sitter. So it becomes double TR, sitter, because I is the vowel and consonant is there after that, so we have to double the consonant. Next is believe. So again you can see over here BELIEVE. I comes before E. And last is harmful. So we have to remove L. Only one L will be there. Okay children. So with this we have come to the end of this exercise, that is exercise number 2.